What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another portfolio update. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to cover the main stock account. I'm going to let you guys know what stock I bought today, as well as the options moves I made. Look at a little technicals, go over the current options play updates, look at the crypto portfolio, as well as the little Robinhood. I'll finish the video with any stocks or option moves that are on my radar that could hit the portfolio in the near-term future. We're one away from 200 subs, so make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss any updates. Thank you guys for hitting the like button for the algorithm. And for those who want my free options blueprint, I'm sending that out still to the first 1,000 subscribers as a huge thank you for helping me grow the channel. So just send me a DM if you're interested in that, and I will shoot that over to you. Okay, so for the main stock account, another nice up move today, up 2,400 bucks. Pretty much everything was green across the board today. These are my positions from largest to smallest. So Amazon had a 1% move today, Microsoft 1.7, Enphase 2.8, Tesla flat. CrowdStrike had great earnings, so they're up almost 12%. Palantir up 3.7%. Another nice day for Palantir. Meta up 3.6%. Meta has turned into a very nice swing trade for me. I pretty much bought the exact bottom on Meta, so we're up 15% on Meta. It's always like happy and a sad moment when you pretty much catch the bottom, because I put in 20,000, and you can never go all in if you feel it may be a bottom, but if it does in fact end up being the bottom, it's much more difficult mentally to average up than it is to average down, in my opinion. And also DraftKings, which we recently purchased, we're now up almost 3% on the move today, so that was really good. As far as the moves that I made today, first thing I did was buy 5,000 more of Amazon. So looking at the Amazon chart, looking like a nice double bottom here, and so doesn't mean we're going to go back to 191 immediately like we did last time, but this is looking like a nice area of support. Over the past few days, just bounced off that 175 level, and then 3 green days in a row, and so I decided to add to that position because once a trend has shown to be in your favor, not that the trend is only 3 days, but short term the trend is in my favor now, I feel, and so that is a good time to add to the position. You have to remember, as much as it hurts mentally, you have to average up in good companies during a bull market, and that's what I feel that we are in. So that was Amazon. The other thing I did was close the 195 Tesla covered calls, so I paid back $418 for that. So that ended up being a great trade. Wound up at 54%, or $508. There really was no reason to close this now, in my opinion, other than the pay package coming up for the Elon's pay package vote. And so anytime you're within a week of a binary event, in my opinion, if you have a win, you should go ahead and take it, because all it would take was something leaking saying the pay package was approved, and then these calls are going to be in trouble. So it's wise to just go ahead and take a win if you have one. So I closed that one out. What else today? So looking at the current options moves, Enphase, we're now down 44%, or $301. Enphase has been very positive recently. If we look at Shopify, we're now down 45%, or 118 on the 65 covered calls, which I'm more than happy about because my average is around 68, and so that means we're working back to a break even almost. And then on Nike, we're still sitting at 48%, or 118 bucks. I don't see a reason to really close that out early, and so we will just continue to leave that one open probably until around 75%. Looking at crypto today, it had a nice day, but we did pull back towards the end of the day. 1% up move in this account, so sitting at almost 48,000 for the Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm still deciding whether to reveal the 2 meme coins I bought. I just don't want to be irresponsible and have people go all in on those, but I probably will reveal those shortly. Okay, let's look at the little Robinhood. So little Robinhood today sitting at 12,100. SoFi Leaps working their way back up, still down 16% on those. I almost added some to those today, but I probably will end up doing that tomorrow. These are stocks on my radar. I had a little buyer's remorse regarding Celsius. I guess not buyer's remorse, but I was wanting to sell some puts yesterday on it, and I did not. And obviously those would have been up a lot today, but we're still going to be watching Celsius very closely for an entry point on stocks, as well as probably some cash secure puts. Keeping my eye on BidX, which is the 2x Bitcoin. SoFi, Snowflake, Nike, Starbucks, Boeing, Unity, PayPal, Ulta, and Salesforce. So these are all companies that could make it into the portfolio in the near-term future, based on how the market performs. That's pretty much it for today, guys. Another nice green day. I'm expecting probably some red days towards the end of the week here, but everything's been going pretty well. Very eager for the Tesla pay package. As we can see, my only 2 red stocks in the portfolio are Tesla and Shopify, but they're only down 12% and 9%, and so those are certainly 1 or 2 good days away from being back in the positive, and then the whole portfolio will be in the green nicely. So things are looking good. I'm very happy that I bought the dip on some of my favorite stocks over the past week or two, because at least as of right now, those are appearing to have been good decisions. So thanks you guys so much for joining again. I will see you guys tomorrow, and take care, and God bless.